Peace of mind and body. 6. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over a common problem most people encounter during their lives. People often complain that no matter how hard they try, they cannot seem to please everyone. No matter what situation they are in, someone always seems to be displeased with them. This is a reality which all experience, whether it is in their family life, work life, or with friends. A Muslim should always remember a few simple things which would prevent them from stressing over this issue. Firstly, the majority of people are not pleased with Allah, the Exalted, even though He granted them countless blessings without being asked to. How then can these people be truly happy with another person, who in reality gave them nothing? Their lack of pleasure with Allah, the Exalted, is quite evident from their complaining and the lack of gratitude they show Him. Secondly, no matter how much a person improves their character, they will never reach the sublime character possessed by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and the other holy prophets, peace be upon them, yet they were still disliked by some people. If this is the case with them, how can a normal person achieve the pleasure of everybody during their life? A Muslim should also remember that as people were created with different mindsets, they will always find people who disagree with their attitude and behavior. Because of this, there will always be some people who are not pleased with a person at any given point in time. The only one who can come close to pleasing everyone is the two-faced person who changes their attitude and beliefs depending on who they are dealing with. But eventually even this person will be publicly disgraced by Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, obtaining the pleasure of all people is unattainable, and only a foolish person will strive to achieve something which cannot be obtained. A Muslim should therefore strive to prioritize the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, above all else by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This does not mean a Muslim should not be respectful to others, as this contradicts the tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. It means a Muslim should understand that if they obey Allah, the Exalted, He will protect them from the negative attitude and effects of people, even if this protection is not obvious to them. But if they prioritize pleasing people, they will not achieve it, and Allah, the Exalted, will not protect them from the displeasure and negative effects of people.